Hello friends, my name is Niti Shukla. I am from CSIT department, SIRT Institute. Today I will tell you how to work in Jupyter Notebook, how to install the Jupyter Notebook and how we easily work in that, how to run the Python codes in Jupyter Notebook. So let's start. So for installing the Jupyter Notebook, first you have to install the Anaconda. And from anaconda.com, you have to install Anaconda in your system. Okay, so let's start. I will show you. When you install Anaconda, then first you have to type this Anaconda. You get Anaconda navigator in your system. So just click on that Anaconda navigator. Anaconda Navigator is running. Yes, this is Anaconda Navigator. Now we have to work in Jupyter Notebook. Here is Jupyter Notebook. In Anaconda Navigator, there are various things like CMD, XPROM, Data Lore, Jupyter Lab, Spider, PyCharm, RStudio. Anaconda is a collection of various platforms. We have to work in Jupyter Notebook for Python. Actually, we can use any IDE of Python, okay? But Jupyter Notebook is very much, it's very rich in different varieties. This has lots of other things also. We can analyze the data. We can add plots. We can add tables also in that. We can add images, figures in that also. We can analyze the data also. It gives a very good reporting of data. So we will start the Python. We will learn the Python through Jupyter Notebook. So first you have to launch Jupyter Notebook. What we do till now, we install Anaconda. See, we install Anaconda and open Anaconda Navigator and just launch the Jupyter Notebook. When we launch the Jupyter Notebook, we get this frame of Jupyter. We can start our program in this Jupyter. This Jupyter and Anaconda are in our C drive. By default, they're installed in our C drive. There are lots of things. You can see that desktop documents and downloads various folders are there. Okay, so you can make your own folder and start running your program. But I want a clean Jupyter for my new project, for my new programming. So I do one thing. What I do, I will go here. I close that. Wait a minute. I go here. Anaconda prompt. I opened Anaconda prompt and change my Jupyter Notebook dictionary. Okay, how? I will tell you myself. Yes, this is Anaconda prompt. I changed my directory from C to D or E in any directory. I changed my directory E. I already make a folder SIRT Python in E directory, and in that folder I will start my Jupyter Notebook. I will start my Python. I will start my programs in Python. Okay, so I already make a folder in in E and write that name Python. SIRT Python. Enter. Now I am in E directory and the folder is SIRT Python. I just write Jupyter Notebook and enter. I get my fresh Jupyter Notebook. Click here to Jupyter. Yes, see, I get my fresh Jupyter Notebook. I have one folder which I made class 1 in this. Okay, there is nothing. Right now, I click on that. First of all, you have to choose your kernel. Okay, in Jupyter. Hai kernel is an engine of any platform. We use Python 3, right? Use Python 3, and when we use the kernel Python 3, we start with a new Jupyter notebook. Okay, new folder. You can title your folder in any name like Python class first. Okay, now let's start. So this is our Jupyter platform. Now you have to work on that only for learning the Python. Okay, because Jupyter notebook is better than any IDEs. So these are files: edit, view, insert, cell, which help. These are all the things, I will explain one by one. Okay, first I will tell you the Jupyter is a cell-based platform. We have lots of cells. See, you can see that x is equal to, I write x is equal to 10, x, and I run that cell, I got the output 10. So it's a cell type structure. You can easily cut, copy, paste the cells. You can individually run the cell. So it is very easy to work on Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So let's start with everything. Yes. Let's start with this. We have, you can use new notebook from this, and from new notebook, open another file from there, make a copy of this file also, and there are also save and save as. You can make a copy or rename that, and save and checkpoint. Okay, you can download the file that you made in this Jupyter notebook in HTML format, in PDF format, in Python format, and there are lots of things which we have in Jupyter. So in edit cell we have cut cell, copy cell, delete cell, merge cell, split cells, and we have lots of things. We can move up and down the cells, and we use all the things. Okay, so in view you can toggle the header, you can toggle the toolbars, you can toggle in the cells also. Okay, in insert you can insert the cell down, insert cell above, insert cell down. I just below, I click on insert cell below. See, one cell is inserted below. Okay, now this is the kernel. We can't change the kernel right now. When we start our Jupyter, we can manage our, we can select our kernel for Python or anything else. Okay, for R, which I didn't understand. I didn't use that.